Hi, Wonder Class. Just a response video back from our live maths lesson this morning. We spoke about the fraction rule and how we use it. So it was really interesting to see how and where some of you didn't really understand how to use the fraction rule, obviously because it's just a picture, whereas in school we actually have the pieces and we can move them and show you. Now, what's something that we spoke about was how to look for equivalent fractions of a half. So we did go through this. If I just find the fraction rule we spoke about, I believe we went through this one with the line, and we looked at understanding a half is what's equivalent to a half, and then looking at 2/4 because we counted 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, and we spoke about these things. We highlighted the fact that 1/5 and 1/9 1/5, 1/9, and 1/11 cannot be equivalent to a half as in fractions, and we also spoke about we divide them by 2, and we can't divide these numbers by 2 without having a remainder. So hopefully that was helpful. Another thing that we went through was this independent task, in which lots of you were startled by and originally found it a bit tricky, and hopefully now with the explanation it's a bit more clearer on how to use that part of the fraction rule in order to find equivalent fractions. Something which tricks you is looking at the wall. It looks like there's 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4, but understanding that when we're counting it, we count 1/4, 2/4, which would be 2/4, 3/4, which would be 3/4, and 4/4, which would be a whole. So that was something which we highlighted when looking at these two questions here. So 2/4 would be literally 1/4 and 2/4, and what's it equivalent to? Now we know it's not going to be, there's no 4 up here, so it would be down here. So it's equivalent to 4/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4/8. So the answer would be 4/8. So yeah, that's just a way of using the fraction rule, and I hope that you guys get on well with the rest of the activities, and I will see you all in the next sessions. Bye everyone.